Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this knife. I can't read the words, but it's SYOKAMI, whatever that is. Maybe that's what it means in there too. And I did kind of open it up. I cheated a little bit and opened it because I wanted to clean it before I use it. And this is what the knife looks like here. It comes packaged beautifully. Came in this nice package here. It had these little covers here to keep it clean and good. That's a nice solid knife here. It comes with some instructions, I guess, as well. But I am going to try it here on a apple. I was going to try it on some meat, but I'm not eating meat right now, so we're going to try the apple. And so, if you've used it before, squishing an apple, sometimes you get a bad cut. So let's just see how this goes, just for fun. This is quite a knife. It's got some weight to it. It's got the Damascus steel look on it. You can kind of see that on there. And it is a nice looking knife, and it's got these little circles. I'm not sure exactly what it's all for, but let's give this thing a try. It even has these. I don't know exactly what everything's for, but let's see. Oh, wow. That makes a nice cut. Wow. This is crazy sharp. Holy mackerel. Probably like some sort of sushi knife or something. You could just cut anything with this. Look at that. It just slices right through. Sliced right through one of the seeds, even, without even noticing it. But look at that. It makes nice cuts. Very good. I'm going to say this is a very good knife. If I cut it upside down, it cuts right through the skin and everything. No problem. Look at that. I could shave the skin off like millimeters thin. Let me show you here. Grab a piece here. If I bring it up here, you want to see, look at it. Watch this. It's just like, I can just shave it. Look at look at how thin that is. It just can just totally peel that apple. This is a sharp blade. So that is awesome. This is really good. And I'm sure it'll cut right through meat. It'll cut through anything. So it's probably a good universal kind of Japanese knife, but Asian knife, classic series, multifunctional Asian knife. So very cool. And I guess that's the company there. So really cool. I like this knife. Thumbs up for sure.